Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the final round of the MAI Bangkok Business Challenge at SASIN 2012. We're halfway there. 3 ventures have presented their business plan. We have 3 more. Who will walk away with His Majesty the King's Award? I guess you'll have to stay tuned and find out. So, next up, we have team from Germany, DrilLight LLC from Northern Institute of Technology Management. Please give them a big hand. So for the team, let me remind you again, you have 30 minutes for your presentation, during which the judges may ask questions after 5 minutes have passed. And then you'll get 3 time notifications, one at 5 minutes after you've started to indicate the interactive session, and then 3 minutes and 1 minute before the end. Please, the lovely ladies in front here will show you the time notifications. For our guests, please do turn off all your mobile phones and please do not leave the room. So, team, are you ready? Yep. Okay, so we'll start the clock as soon as you start. Good luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, worldwide oil rig operating costs account for $50 billion each year. Now imagine you can save up to 10% of these costs. This is exactly what DrilLight does. DrilLight is targeting the worldwide offshore oil rig industry, which is facing a severe problem, namely vibrations of the drill string. These vibrations slow down the drilling speed. Our solution is a complete vibration mitigation by a new to the world and patent pending technology. This will ensure high savings for the industry. So, it looks like the oil industry is a very attractive one. But do you still remember the offshore oil rig Deepwater Horizon? 5 million barrels of oil have been spilled to the ocean. So yes, we have to admit that offshore oil drilling is an industry that holds a high risk and a high potential at the same time. So this is exactly where DrilLight can help to overcome a fundamental conflict of interests. On the one hand, the need for low-cost, high-volume oil production, and on the other hand, the threat of oil spills in a very sensitive environment. DrilLight has set up a management team consisting of 5 capable engineers with MBA background. Eugen, our CTO, with research focus on vibration analysis. Hannes, responsible for marketing, is a maritime engineer and worked in the sales department of a tunnel boring company. Arne is currently finishing his studies in energy systems and is heading our operations. And Jan Hendrik is our CFO and is doing right now his PhD in process technology. My name is Henning and my background is mechanical engineering. Our technology was developed in cooperation with Hamburg University of Technology, and I would like to hand over to our CTO Eugen, who has worked at our university in a project that developed the underlying technology of DrilLight. And moreover, he is the idea generator for this business.
Thanks, Henning. Vibrations are the major problem of the drilling industry. Vibrations lead to breakdowns of drill strings with severe consequences for the environment. They decrease drilling speed by 10 to 30%, increase total operating costs by 2 to 10%, and they limit drilling depth. Additionally, they cause harmful noise. So vibrations are bad. But what are these vibrations exactly? Let me walk you through the drilling process via simulation coming straight from our lab. What you see here is an oil rig. The drill string is up to 10 kilometers long and has a diameter to length ratio smaller than that of a human hair. Take a look. Due to the friction between the string and the rock, the rotation is not constant, but rather chaotic. That is highly undesired. Now let's turn on DrilLight and see how it does its magic. After just a couple of seconds, DrilLight has eliminated all the vibrations and the rig is running smoothly. That is increasing overall rig performance and reducing risks for environment. Impressive. Impressive, isn't it? We offer the complete elimination of drill string vibration. Enhanced value is offered to the customer by an attractive pay-as-you-go pricing based on runtime. Our product can be easily added to existing oil rigs. The impressive performance of DrilLight was already demonstrated on an oil rig prototype at our university. Hannes, you're familiar with marketing. Could you tell us what customers DrilLight is targeting at?
Yes, I can. So basically, our product can be applied to every rig in the world. However, the demand for faster and safer drilling is much higher when you produce oil offshore. Oil spills have a more severe impact on the environment, and drilling time is, as you see in the chart, far more expensive. Hence, offshore rig operators have a much higher willingness to pay for our product compared to land rig operators. And therefore, they become our target customers.
Could you go back to the previous page, the product itself? Are you a software company or hardware company, a service company? What are you? What are you?
We are providing a device, a hardware device, which can be installed on an oil rig. Our core competence
to any equipment on the oil rig, regardless which manufacturer it comes from.
Yes.
Correct?
That's correct. It can be installed to any equipment, regardless what manufacturer it comes from.
So is it a software solution or is it a hardware solution?
This is a hardware solution. It consists of reliable electronics, available electronics, but the coordination is done by our core competence, an IP-protected control algorithm.
Then could you go back to the one with the simulation page? Where is your product in this page?
The product is installed right underneath the top drive, so it's the very top of the drill string.
Could you point that on the... Okay.
So
that's the computer is set up there.
So this is the product is the one Hannes showed at, and the simulation is showing the drilling string itself. The problem, which was before we switched on our product, and how our product...
Do you have a picture of the product?
Henning, could you give me the slide with the detailed product overview, please? So we don't have an exact picture of the product because the product itself is now in a prototype phase. So it's just a lot of electronics, wires, and not a design really yet. What we can say is that the product can be easily installed to a rig of any manufacturer right on top of the drill string underneath the motor, so existing rigs can be easily upgraded.
Then could you show me how does it work from this page? The product is installed on the top drive, and then as people start drilling, then the product is turned on, then what happens next?
So the product is installed underneath the top drive. People start drilling. These vibrations occur, which we have seen. Then the product is turned on. It has sensors. These sensors monitor the drill string dynamics. The algorithm decomposes the dynamics in traveling wave, and this makes possible to compensate the energy of the undesired vibrations.
So what does the product tells the drilling? Does it drill faster, or it drill slower, or it turn on to the left, or to the right, such that the waveform that occur, it's synchronized to the whatever it's the material is drilling in? Is that how it works?
Exactly. So the monitor dynamics are analyzed, and then the motor, the top drive, is told how it has to turn very quickly, so it doesn't influence the drill operations, the drilling operations, how it has to mitigate, to compensate this undesired vibrations.
So you basically have to tell other manufacturer drilling machine to do it. So you have to connect to them, correct?
Yes, correct.
Would they allow you to do that? Would that void the warranty of those drilling manufacturer?
We are very sure that they will allow, because in the market there already exist some solutions that control these top drives by other solutions to reduce vibrations. But we have the superior product because existing solutions are not capable of fully dampen the vibrations that occur. But DrilLight can mitigate all the vibrations.
If something fails, who takes the risk? Who takes the claim? That's the drilling manufacturer, or you, or
That's
any
a good
insurance
point.
company?
Yes, that's a very good point. It is very, very unlikely occurrence probability that our product might harm the operating oil rig, but there is a certain occurrence probability which would have a very large financial impact. And therefore, we have decided that we must protect our company from this risk with an insurance. It's in the market phase one of our biggest expensive of our operations. The insurance to protect our company from this risk which you have mentioned.
Does your product create its own vibration to counteract with the vibration from the drilling? Does it use energy to do that, or does it use waves to do it, which is less energy intensive?
It doesn't really use energy to compensate the existing vibrations. What it does, it adjusts the top drive very quickly in a way so that vibrations are compensated. So this is the least amount of energy you can actually use to compensate these vibrations.
So maybe a good example is when you drive with your car over some hills, then usually your car would go faster when it goes down and slower when it goes up. And this control algorithm drives your car with the same speed up the hill and down the hill. So you have no more vibrations or fluctuations in your drilling speed or in the car speed. Okay, then I will go on with this slide. So you've seen there are some solutions made by other competitors like DPro, APS, or Baker Hughes in the market. And we have also seen on this slide that they cannot fully provide complete vibration-free drilling. So vibration-free drilling is our unique selling proposition, and this is a clear competitive advantage. And it's a very sustainable one because it is IP protected. And how we generate money with it will explain our CEO, Arne.
Okay, thank you, Hannes. We will generate money with our product in two different ways. Firstly, we will charge an upfront payment of $40,000 US. And secondly, customers will pay a license fee based on our pay-as-you-go pricing model. For an average rig, this license fee sums up to